If you see the P0420 fault code in your Ford Fiesta, it may mean one of several things. So there are two oxygen sensor, O2 sensors. The one is located before the catalytic converter, and the second O2 sensor is located after the catalytic converter. And between them, there is a catalytic converter that cleans the exhaust. So first, the first O2 sensor measures the amount of oxygen in the exhaust, and then the second O2 sensor measures the same, and then they decide how efficient the catalytic converter is. And if the catalytic converter is efficient, it works properly, the O2 sensors will register this and everything will be okay. You will see no check engine lights and no codes in your Ford Fiesta. But if something went wrong and the exhaust is not that clean, your Fiesta will register this and will throw P0420 code. This is one of the first codes you will see when something is wrong with the exhaust, and it may mean one of these things. First of all, it's the O2 sensor. Actually, both O2 sensors may malfunction, but in the Ford Fiesta, the one that is most likely failing is the first one. So the one that's located closer to the engine. Secondly, this can be the exhaust leak between these O2 sensors. So somewhere in the pipe, in the catalytic converter, something went too rusty and there is a leak. So some exhaust is coming out of the pipe before it reaches the second O2 sensor, and the brain of your car registers this. So you will just need to visually inspect the exhaust and probably find the part that needs replacement. Then the catalytic converter is one of the possible culprits of this problem, but these issues will most commonly happen when your car reaches 100,000 miles, 150,000 kilometers. Before that, it's not that likely that you will have problems with the catalytic converter, so it's only the high mileage problem. And one last thing, if you use cheap fuel, it's very likely that the cheap fuel will throw this P0420 code, because this fuel doesn't burn entirely, and some part of this fuel then gets into the catalytic converter and heats it up, and when it's overheating, it doesn't work properly, and the sensors will register this issue.